Dear students, today we are going to do the revision of the extra questions I have given to you. First question, what is it is written? Which of the following is the first national park of India? Periyar, Jim Corbett, Rajaji or Bandipur? It is Jim Corbett National Park. Okay. Red Data Book provides data on red lions, red birds, list of plants and animal, endangered plants and animal. This one is last one. Endangers plant and animals. Which part of Himalayas are covered with dense forest? Southern, northern, eastern, western. Eastern. Okay. Next. In which of the following areas we will find pitchu plant? Sundarban Delta, Thar Desert, Western Ghat or rainforest of northeastern India? Rainforest of northeastern India. When the environment gets dirty, it is called pollution surrounding planet or earth. It is called pollution. Pollution is very dash for us. Harmful, good or healthy? Harmful. We should throw garbage in dustbin, room, water. Dustbin will be the answer. Types of pollution are all of this: land pollution, water pollution and air pollution. All of this. Okay? Now come to the next extra question. What I have given, write true and false for the following statement. There are 30 days in May. False. An ostrich eye is bigger than its brain. Yes, true. A jellyfish is 95% water. True. A caterpillar turns into a butterfly. True. Adults have total 34 teeth. False. 32 teeth, na? False. Cinderella carriage turns into a potato. False. Plants gives us oxygen. True. Spinach originally comes from Iran. True. Chameleons have very short tongue. False. Adult dog and adult human have the same number of teeth. False. Next, write the answer in one word. The young one of elephant is called calf. Which is the sound made by the what is the sound made by the horse? Answer is knee. The dash celebrated as the birth of Jesus Christ. That is Christmas. Which is the national sport of India? Hockey. What does the heart pump? Blood. Which is the national fruit of India? Mango. Which type of plant is a money plant? Climbers. Which part of the human skeleton protect our brain? Skull. Which planet has the most moon? Saturn. Which fruit is also known as Indian gooseberry? That is amla. Okay? Amla. Okay? Based on these three pages on extra question, I have given you worksheet today. Now see, choose the correct answer. Which part of the Himalayas are covered with dense forests? Southern, eastern or northern? We have learned eastern. The mark here eastern. Next, we should throw garbage in dustbin, room or water? Dustbin. Types of pollution are land pollution, water pollution, all of this. Yes, all of this. The young one of the elephant is calf. C A sorry CALF calf. Okay. Dash is the first national park of India. Which one? Jim Corbett. Jim CORBET. Jim Corbett. Okay. There are dash day in May. How many days in May? 31 days. Okay. We will write 31. Write true or false for the following. A caterpillar turns into a butterfly. True. Cinderella's carriage turns into potato. Turns into potato. No. False. It turns into pumpkin. Red data book provide data on red lines. False. It show endangered species. Mango is the national fruit of India. True. Fill in the blanks. When the environment gets dirty, it is called pollution. Pollution is very dash for us. Harmful. Plants gives us oxygen. Next, dash is celebrated on the birth of Jesus Christ. That is Christmas. Dash is the national sport of India. Hockey. Okay. Now student, do it.